Hey there, Josh here. I'm extremely excited to tell you guys about a great new listing in Morrison Ranch in Gilbert, Arizona. No expense was spared on some very impressive remodeling of this home. That, plus the incredible Morrison Ranch location in the heart of Gilbert and all of the community amenities that comes along with that. I can't wait to show you all of the amazing details this home has to offer. As you enter the home, you are greeted with an expansive living room, perfect for entertaining. A beautiful porcelain-plank tile covers the entire first floor, upstairs bathroom, and upstairs laundry room. 6-inch baseboards and crown molding also complement the custom features. All of the home's windows are covered with custom wood shutters, even the garage windows. Additional recessed lighting has been added in all downstairs areas, in addition to flush speakers and surround sound in the family room. The kitchen has had a complete makeover, including lowering of the counter, beautiful granite countertops, custom painted cabinets, newer appliances, a subway tile backsplash, and a farmhouse sink. The home features 2 custom barnwood walls, one in the family room and one in the stairway. The impressive remodel does not stop at the first floor. The large owner suite is complete with 2 custom-built walk-in closets and a private balcony. The amazing bathroom remodel includes a standalone bathtub, custom shower with 5 total shower heads, custom cabinets, and a new wall and floor tile. The additional upstairs bedrooms and laundry are all nicely appointed, maximizing space and light. The backyard is definitely the original staycation. The recent remodel includes new travertine wall and tile, pebble-tech pool resurfacing, commercial pool and spa heater, variable speed pool pump, waterfall features, and natural gas fire pots. The icing on the cake is the large backyard gazebo, extending your covered patio space and allowing for additional entertaining. Enjoy all that Morrison Ranch community has to offer, including gorgeous lakes and parks, tree-lined streets, pickleball and tennis courts, all within close proximity to Gilbert's incredible shopping and dining. This home is truly one of a kind.